So what is the maximum height reached by a projectile? Let the projectile with initial velocity u making angle theta with the horizontal is thrown into air. So you know the motion of the projectile is two dimension. The motion of the projectile is a two dimension, that is motion in a plane. So its initial velocity splits into horizontal component of initial velocity ux is u cos theta, vertical component of initial velocity uy is u sin theta. But final velocity again splits into horizontal component and vertical component, but there is no change in horizontal component of initial and final velocity, remains the same, but final velocity of vertical component is 0. So when the vertical component of final velocity is a 0, we can say the projectile has reached maximum height, that is it travels maximum vertical distance, that is h. We want to derive the formula for it. So maximum vertical distance traveled by the projectile till its final vertical component of velocity is a 0. So now what is the maximum height traveled? So here as the projectile is traveling maximum vertical distance, that is why we want to take initial vertical component of velocity u is uy, which is taken as u sin theta, and final vertical component of velocity is taken as a v, which is a 0. So when it is a 0, we can say it has reached maximum height. And acceleration due to gravity is a negative because the projectile is moving up, gravity is acting in the downward direction, that is why acceleration due to gravity is minus, and s is h. So we know that third equation of motion v square minus u square is equals to 2as. V means this is 0, 0, u means u sin theta, u square means u square sin square theta, 2 into a means minus z, s means h. So 0 minus u square sin square theta means minus u square sin square theta, minus 2gh, minus get cancelled. This implies 2gh is equals to u square sin square theta. Then maximum height h we want, that is why h is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. So here we have taken uy because it is a vertical component of velocity, and maximum vertical distance is called a maximum height. So this is the derivation.